Hi there. Today we're going to learn about how to delete a blog post on Wix. So here we are in the all sites dashboard. So you can just choose a specific site that you want to edit, or if you want to create a new one, you can do so as well. So I will choose this website and I will edit it. It already has a blog. So once we're here on the dashboard, we can just go ahead and click on design site. We'll be redirected to the Wix website editor. We'll just wait for the website to load. And now that we're here on the website, you can click on pages and menu. You click on blog. And then once it has loaded, you can just click on or hover on anywhere the blog area from the blog website. And then we can click on manage posts. Now we'll be redirected to the dashboard where we can manage all of our blog posts. Since I don't have any blog posts yet, you can see if we don't have anything here. So we can just click on create new post if you want to start from scratch, or we can click on more action. So I will just use the create post from template option. For example, I want to have a how-to tips blog post. You can just use this template. And then we can just click on save. Then we can click on publish. So we will now see our published post right on our dashboard. So we can just close this window. Then we can see our blog post has now been published right here. And then if we want to go ahead and delete it, we'll just need to select it. And then we will move this to trash. Just click on it. And then that is it. We have now deleted our Wix blog post. I hope you learned how to do it. And thank you for watching.